gorgeous. Yeah, there you go. Around to the other. Not you. See foyer of the hotel. So this is the room 421 view. Okay. The bar in the hotel. Got a bar in here. Right around, so. That's the old Sheraton there. The castle there. That's the castle.
So they soon get room feeds. View of the mountain. Work out where the bloody wipers are.
Tiga. Got something in there.
Yeah, well look.
I don't. Tuscamanita.
There's a good view of it there.
It is, isn't it? Lovely view. Isn't it?
Did you get that all in one?
You can. All right. That's a great view there. Lovely brake wheel.
Driving today, so yes.
Aren't you pretty? We're heading for the Antigua. I think. The brake and the hopper and the brake wheel. We're on the terrace here and we're looking over to Antigua. How about, well, it's lovely, isn't it? A perfect day.
Windmills everywhere.
Everywhere today.
On my mind.
To the Conception. There's the name there. Right, isn't it? It's the Conception.
Windmill here on the right.
Yeah, yes.
Mini windmill.
Mini windmill, and this is the other one at Lanos.
Look, it's there.
Oh yes, oh yes. Yes, oh nice. The other Molina, Conception. So yes, that's right. So we've now seen the pair of them. Seagull.
Did we stop the other day?
Yeah. It looks very, very nice.
From here you can get a lovely view of the mountains in the distance.
High and beautiful. I will step outside in a minute.
Yeah, we'll get out.
Step in. Step here. Very nice. Yeah. Now at Tindaya.
Yeah, where's the mountain?
I think that's in front of you there.
Oh, is it? Casa Alta di Tenda.
Villa Verde. Is it okay to go?
God help us. Bit steep.
This is Villa Verde.
Up there,
yeah.
there's a signboard telling you about.
I've got a lovely picture, honestly. This is like here's we're in at the moment.
There's one on the left too.
Yeah. Oh yes, that's one of the Molina. Very nice. And there's our little baby there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like hairs. Lovely milk. Very nice. Very nice. There's the other mill over there. Bell Rock. Very, very nice. Nice mill.
Stop.
No, it's just
All this is hard standing,
Yeah.
so you can stop.
it's quite, it's correlated.
There's a lot of people here. Now there must be a reason for that, because
No problem.
No.
Everyone here has to be
Yeah, I'm done.
friendly.
Very happy goes.
And you see that is pregnant. It's very big.
La cama.
we're staying in
Yeah.
Yes, down in the south.
Yeah.
staying at the Elba Hotel.
Nothing I can do. Lunch in Abu.
The earth warming, when you see it on the television, it looks very far away. In some places, we have it right in front of us.
Sandwiches.
I've been giving him banana, he can
I'm
probably smell
gonna
the
tell you the
skin.
truth. I have been training that
Ah, yeah.
chico to detect drugs and. Okay. I don't know if you did realize. Muy bien. Bitte schön. De nada.
See the yellow sign says port.
Yes, correlated.
Now what we did before, we went straight ahead.
Yeah. Yeah. There's that.
Until they see a clear.
Tenga la amabilidad de acudir al garaje. El resto de pasajeros permanezcan sentados. En breve le avisaremos. El capitán, chicos.
It's the 67.
Is that it up there, do you think?
It's in a fair part, yes, over the. I should think it probably is up there, yeah. Yeah, it's just it's what did we say?
Here's a car.
Lovely. Lovely, isn't it? And the brake wheel. All right. Leaving the Elba.
Have a seat. Nothing coming there.
Can't see that.
No, I've got a car right behind me.
Oh, it is popular, isn't it? We'll find a place.
But what about here?
Yes, up around, I think.
Is there a vegan park?
I think so.
Is that
great, isn't it?
Ouais.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Any movement and it will.
So we're looking somewhere over there. There's that museum, isn't there? We don't quite know what that is yet. And there it is. There's Cactus Man. Cactus
Coffee. Here,
Cactus Nick.
Cactus coffee in the Cactus House. Yeah?
Coffee in the Cactus Break. Cactus Break.
Yeah, look at that. Teaser and the brake. Yeah, here we are at the base of the windmill, and we're now travelling through there over to there. That's
Yeah,
right.
remember.
This is St. Evis. Have a look. This is a droopy one,
There's a
yeah.
name for it, look.
Ah,
Agave. I can't crack it.
they're certainly lovely, aren't they? Yeah. Lovely women up there. We're now heading to the caves at something else, I think they are.
We'll take a view.
Well, when you see caves.
There's a signpost here. Look at it.
Yeah, I'll tell you,
the
yeah.
caves are and that.
Just checking now. 7 and 10. 7:13. Peculiar thing, isn't it? Cave systems are very busy, so we're not going to stay. Look at the number of cars. It says it's extremely busy. I suppose it's a children's. No, it's not.
I
up
don't
for us.
think we can
No,
do that.
I certainly don't. That's not for us.
Waiting for us.
So we're now heading for Mirador del Rio.
Yeah, now if we follow this lot here,
Uh-huh.
without getting too close, we can always back into a space.
Okay. Mirador del Rio now. I think we're.
But we have to pay, don't we?
Quite something, isn't it? Quite a view. Oh, look at that.
There's a little port over there on that island. See how down that? It's a port down in the harbour.
Oh, yes. Oh, that's great. There's a cafe. Yep. I wonder if this is Harrier. It looks very
I
much
think it must be.
on the
Yeah,
palm.
look, there's a sign saying we're coming out of Harrier.
Oh, Harrier. Yeah, we're coming out Harrier. Okay.
It wasn't a very nice hit on the wheel there.
No, I don't think it was.
But again, it wasn't nothing to do with it.
Very nice. Windmill. Very nice. Yeah, it's straight to the, yeah, it's probably. Yeah.
That's it. Welcome home.
Yeah. you back.
It's a return.
But it does feel like home when you've been here for
It's a
while.
return.
It is a return. There's a lovely Wimpy McDonald's
So
over there.
I've got to go around this carefully.
Oh,
I've got
yeah.
that bloody coach. It's just careful.
Yeah, that's right.
And then carefully
Go
round the
around,
roundabout. And then
Around
that's
here.
the shopping centre.
And then we come out.
Ooh, come on, pigeons.
Yes, we'll cross them. And we come down here. And we're
We
down.
could walk back and get a paper.
Yes, we've got to stop. I think that's just a sign for it.
Yes, I know, but we've got to welcome. 300 metres, turn right.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we've arrived now. Look at all these plants here. Look at these. Yeah. Like something. Yeah.
I'll hire a cart for you if you like.
No, we can walk. Started the trail.
Nice, so watch out for the snake.
Very
Crab eating.
Are they macaws? What are they?
Look at this pink group. We're all working together, we're all synchronised. Synchronised walking.
Oh,
Silvery
a silvery marmoset. Oh, two of them.
They seem to happen in pairs.
Yeah. Oh yes, we like these. They're lovely, aren't they?
Don't do that tree, get off it, Mason.
That's got some fruit.
Very happy. Ooh, enjoying that.
They bite, you know, they spit and
Do they? He's enjoying that. Not bad, is it?
you have to keep feeding him now.
A wallaby. Wallaby.
There's another couple over the back now.
Yeah.
Hopefully he
Leopard
doesn't eat
tortoise.
you.
The leopard tortoise, I think. Gorgeous.
They smiled at a crocodile.
That's what they say.
But you can talk. It's a lonely monitor.
Yeah, she does. Golden barrels. And this one is a hello. What that one is? Punchy that's through there. Yucca. Well, we'll say goodbye to the cacti and the golden barrels. Certainly have, Rob, yeah. Great garden, isn't it? Yeah, it's wonderful, isn't it? It's a great little tour, isn't it? Fancy it?
It's start raining, they're going to be under this.
Yeah. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah.
Run around.
This is a special one. It's not going to drive.
Yeah, cotton bug.
Well, can you see from here that you can see the elephant?
See the sea.
Your friend.
Look, you can see the sea.
Is that your friend?
This time.
Three stops.
No one just talked to you. What's your name?
There's my friend, look.
Oh, how lovely. You look beautiful.
Oh, my friend's coming too.
Really, Basie, look. You're gorgeous. They're everywhere. We're now leaving La Hita after visiting the garden. And we're turning to the airport to drop the car. Canary Airport. There we are, the Jardin. This looks like the entrance. Oh, the history. Uh-huh. What's that one there?
Griselia, is that
Oh.
Euphorbia griselia.
Pantia echios. Ferox. Enormous specimen. Twin dragon trees. There he is.
Too much other people.
No, just doing you. There's staggering road approaching Santa Lucia eventually.
Bloody valley up there. Cycling up there a hell of a pace.
Yeah. We're coming into Santa Lucia. The previous village was called Temas, I think.
This looks like what the hell's up there? That maybe that sandbar telling me up the top.
Could be.
See?
Getting turned.
Do you wonder how they get all this time, that company?
Yeah.
It's just a tea.
Yes, looks like it.
Cafe.
Yeah. This looks like Tehran.
Just like to this.
Mm.
There's a few seats.
Oh, waiter. This is Tajidi. Lovely views over there. You've got the little church. Beautiful. Yeah.
It's lovely. So you look up there.
Beautiful. Yes, I'm looking.
You've got to do like a 360-degree panorama, I think.
Yeah. way to Mogan, as you can see there. Through all these tunnels. More tunnels.
There it goes.
This is
Right,
Got
I think
something,
I can
isn't
park here. See?
is there parking there?
Fairy lights on it.
Yeah,
If you look at it,
this must be Mogan.
a market.
Pretty little place, isn't it? Very small place, if that was it. I think we'll pass them. Coloured rocks. Los Azul,
Green,
yeah.
green.
Beautiful, isn't it? People taking photographs of them.
This is some of the colours
Look
here.
at them, yeah,
Look,
they're beautiful.
Look, all the purple
Yeah,
and green.
beautiful.
Oh, he's pulling off here, look.
Yeah, Los Azules, yeah. Beautiful view, isn't it? It said that they were remarkable.
Now, I've got a black one behind me, so I'm going to let him go. I've got a
Just
car
arriving, yeah.
coming. I've got a car coming, so.
This is El Cruz, no. San Nicolas. That's a nice setting for a cactus garden. The amphitheatre.
Spanish bullfights, wrestling.
The wine bar. Oh my goodness, and the wine's on the wall.
Donkey probably around here, I think.
Donkey art. Oh, very beautiful.
Got a picture of that sign,
Yeah.
eh?
Yeah, there he is. Donkey rides. Incredible. Yes. That looks like the euphor.
That's a bit of a detour, that one.
Yeah, this one.
I think we got this one. You're going to go down into that ravine, I think.
Yes. Oh. I think. Never seen so many, have you? Golden barreled.
Amazing.
Yes. That looks like the euphor.
That's a bit of a detour, that one.
Yeah, this one.
I think we got this one. We're going to go down into that ravine, I think.
Yes. Oh. Hello, baby. Hello. Oh, very beautiful.
Chicken's up on the top here. Oh, I'm going upstairs here.
Your little family.
Yeah. Hello,
Oh,
Mummy.
very sweet.
Yes.
Going
2,
everywhere.
4, 6, 8. 8 little ducklings.
Very gorgeous. Mummy duck.
Yes.
Good mummy duck.
Oh, waking my tail.
Very proud of them. Hotel.
Just in time.
Yeah, it's a sign. Yeah, I think that is it. Yes. It's a canary palm, I should think.
What?
Canary palm, I think.
Oh, it's from Sri Lanka.
Oh, right. Quite unusual, isn't it?
It's Taiwan, it says. Manula anagas libas.
Drinken zum Beispiel. So, viel Spaß ist eine gute Erlebnis. So enjoy the experience. That is amazing.
We will enter into the national park. The Caldera de Torriente is the most important visit here on this island. Then after visiting the national park, we are going down, passing through the whole Aridano Valley to the port of Tassacote. There we will take lunch. Lunch will be more or less around 1:30. And then after lunch, the whole afternoon we will dedicate to the new volcano.
It's incredible.
These are nearly all hire cars here.
Yes.
We can stay here and probably have to go back.
Oh, or not. Well, we just had lunch. Already got lunch too. Oh, sure. Already got lunch. We're now walking back to the van to see the volcanoes.
All das, was schwarz ist, hier waren früher Häuser, meistens europäische Rentner, Plantagen und so weiter. Einige sind stehen geblieben, andere nicht. Damas y caballeros, esto aquí fue una zona próspera.
Funny angle here, trying to pull them out. There's the hotel. There's the entrance. That's the one. Pool area. Sebastian. Well, that's the Parador. Is the Parador? San Sebastian. La Gomera, San Sebastian. We're having Cuba Libre. Migua, yeah. Very pretty place. Migua. So we're walking around Agulo. Pretty. And we're walking back to the taxi now.
You can smell the flowers, don't you? Blossom.
Very pretty.
Orange blossom or something.
Hairdressers down there. And we'll continue down. Okay. Agulo. This is Agulo. Yeah, beautiful. And there you can actually see Tenerife.
Mount Teedy.
Yeah, Mount Teedy. Las Rosas. Yeah, Jonas. That's it.
Sur Tenerife. Sur Tenerife.
Yes, see.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, south of Tenerife.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Un momento, stop.
No, it's okay. You're on Villamosa. This is Villamosa. Let me just walk you around here. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Oh, is it? Okay. Oh, no. Val Grand Ray, eh? Yeah. That's our whistling restaurant.
Bienvenidos a La Gomera. Welcome to La Gomera. Herrlich, willkommen in Gomera. Bienvenido a La Gomera, Sheklia. Benvenuti all'isola della Gomera. A ver, ese aplauso chico aquí, no sabe.
Muchas gracias.
Hasta la vista.
Gracias.
Great.
You look for walking, yeah?
Ah, the rock, yeah, look at that.
Park, yeah?
Yeah. The name of the...
The house, yeah?
Mm.
The booking.
Stupendous. Yeah. Yeah, look at that.
From this here, the center.
Incredible. It's very busy.
They were full. No,
Full. No room.
No room.
No room. No.
It's in the
Yeah, see.
rock, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a hotel.
It's a popular hotel, I
For
think.
me, Parador is good. The Hotel
Yeah.
Tesina is this is the big, yeah?
Yes.
Mhm.
This is the people, yeah?
It's from Fred Olsen, huh?
Yeah.
But they had no room, so we had to go to the Parador.